Hey everybody, it's Nicole coming at you with my weekly planner spread. This week I decided to do something a little different from just the regular old stickers from like Michael's and Dollar Tree. I wanted to do something like I've seen on a couple people's channels where they did movie themes. So I decided today to do the Shawshank Redemption. It's like one of my top 5 favorite movies ever. And you know, it had some really nice inspirational quotes and funny quotes and just some life lessons in that movie. But anyway, what I did was I printed off some images and made some stickers with my Xyron sticker maker, and I'll show you a little brief tutorial on how to use that in a minute. It was the first time I used it, and I've had it for like a year and a half, and I was like, hey, I need to start putting some of this stuff I have to use. Well, anyway, here's my spread. I printed out, like I said, some images from Google. I chose some cardstock that sort of kind of went along with the colors and the images, I guess. And it came out of this paper pad right here. I guess it's called Colorways or whatever. But anyway, I got this on clearance, as you can see, for $1.79, and it had some really pretty sort of fall inspired colors, I guess. But anyway, the paper that I used for this particular one, if I could find one, it won't take so long with this video. Oh gosh, here it is, was this one. And I like the fact that it's double-sided, and so it had that image on the side. So you got, depending on where you cut it, you got different lines and stuff like that on one side, and then this on the other. So you can kind of see that with how I've applied them. And then I just used some regular old black cardstock to sort of fill in and add some contrast, whatever. Anywho, the pictures are just from different scenes in the movie, and then I kind of added some quotes as well, especially get busy living and, you know, get busy dying. I put that there. And then I've got like, Warden Norton, his quote, I believe in 2 things, discipline and the Bible. So I got that. Let's see what else. Oh, my favorite one is, well, I don't want to say what it actually says, but it's like Andy Dufresne, who crawled through a river of, you know what, and came out clean on the other side, honey. That's, you know, that's life. But anyway, just a few, and then, you know, I just kind of randomly put them around because I was actually trying to camouflage like the pink from the planner, because it, you know, each month has this pink and green girly kind of theme. So I wanted something a little different, so I'm just camouflaging with the washi tape. I chose these 2 Dollar Tree washi tapes, but I ended up going with the darker one to cover up the lines or the grids or whatever. So let me show you a quick tutorial on how to use this little Xyron machine, you know, just in case you don't know how to, and I don't, how to make stickers with your Cricut or your Silhouette or whatever, because honey, I've got both and I don't know how to do nothing. But this was kind of easy. So all you do, whatever image you want to use or whatever you want to make a sticker out of, as long as it can fit down in here, oop, come on camera, as long as it can fit down in here, you can make a sticker. So here's an image from the movie. It's Rita Hayworth. You know, of course, her poster was covering up the hole he was digging. And then I just got a couple of quotes that I printed off, and I'm gonna add as well. And I was thinking about adding a couple more pictures. I don't know, maybe Boggs, who was one of the sisters, I don't know, but anyway. And then of course the real killer of Andy's wife, but I'm not sure, but I know I want to add Rita, so I'm gonna drop her in. And then I think I'm gonna make sure it's lined up. And then I'm gonna put Easy Peasy Japanesey, which is what Brooks said when he was telling Andy about doing the book run, or, you know, taking the books around. And I'm trying to see, because I'm trying to use all of the sticker, you know, I don't want to waste anything. So I might be able to get this last. Now I'll just do it in a separate one. But anyway, all you do is just put your thing, your picture, image. You can do ribbon, whatever you want in here, and just pull through. And it actually creates a sticker for you. And so you just tear it off and you just rub it. Make sure it's adhered. And I don't think Easy Peasy Japanesey got all the way, but it'll hold. And then you just peel off the plastic coating from the top, and you have a sticker. Peel it off. Okay, so get rid of this, and then we'll add Rita. I'm trying to see where Rita wants to go here. Well, you know what? I'm gonna start with Easy Peasy Japanesey. So just peel that off. And I'm going to put it up here where Brooks was here. You know, when Brooks scraped in his name before he hung himself. So I'm going to put that across that pink Friday to kind of cover that up. Make sure I get it covered good. There we go. So there's that sticker. So those are really easy to make. If you see these, because they're in Michael's. I actually ordered mine off of HSN. And it was like 19 bucks, and then they had a package deal where you got like 5 refills or something. It's been a while, but anyway, they're not that expensive, and you can make your own stickers this way, but you're just limited in the size. Okay, so let's find a spot for Rita. I don't know. You know what? I think I'm gonna put Rita down here in the corner. So let me get her off. Here, kind of there. So there's Miss Rita. And then I think what I want to do is take my orange marker and go Kumi. And that's what she said in the movie. From the movie she was actually in that movie. Okay, so yeah, and then I guess I want to go ahead and make one for Hope is a Good Thing. So that's one of the, it's a little longer quote than that, but I just wanted to keep it simple. So make Hope is a Good Thing a sticker. And see what I mean? You can like layer them up or line them up to where you can kind of save or not waste the sticker. But yeah, so you just smooth it out, peel it off, and got a sticker. So oops. And I'm gonna put Hope is a Good Thing over the 2018, which is pink. So I want to see any pink. There we go. And I think that is it, y'all. So this was like super simple, super easy. It was fun. It may not look the best, but honey, it's my planner, so nobody else is looking in it. So yeah, I like it. Leave me a comment down below. Tell me what your planner spread is for this week. And yeah, if you haven't already, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. And until my next video, I will see y'all then. Bye, guys.